Welcome back to another tutorial in the CorelDRAW course for beginners. In this class, we're going to look at combining and breaking apart objects in CorelDRAW. Now, combining entails connecting two or more objects, and then the resultant will be one object which has the same fill color and the same outline properties. So I have this sphere and this star shape designed over here that I want to combine. So what I'll do is I'll select both of them and then align them. So I'll use the shortcuts E, then C. You can see they're perfectly aligned. Then come to Object, Combine. Now, once they're combined by selecting it, you can see it's created kind of a white effect inside. Now, this does not mean that the color inside is white. It's just that it's made the shape to be transparent. So if I move it over the edges, you can see that it's actually transparent. You can see the lines at the end over here. So that's how we combine objects. Let's try and combine these two. Just move it closer. So I'll select both of them. The shortcuts E, then C to align them. Object, then combine. Again, you can see it's created a transparent effect. So if I move this over here, you can actually see through the shape. So it's not white, it's just transparent. It cuts through the shape. Now let's look at breaking these objects apart. So I want to break it apart. What we'll do, and one thing you should notice that now we've combined, they each had different colors, but they ended up with one fill color and same outline properties. So that's what combining looks like. Now let's break them apart. So I'll select this one with its selected object, then break curve apart. Then I'll just deselect and move this away. You can see once we've combined them, then broken them apart, they will share the same fill color. So if you want, you can come back and change the fill color of your image and continue with your design. So let's break apart this object. Select it, then come over here, then break curve apart. I'll deselect, move this over here, and you can see we have two different shapes. You have the different shapes back. So go ahead and try this out with as many shapes as you can with different designs in CorelDRAW and see how that will work out for you.